future Hall of Famers. They're just like us. Loop.
The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kit Carson County, northwestern Wallace County, southwestern Sherman County in northwestern Kansas until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Burlington, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The storm has a history of quarter to golf ball size hail. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Kit Carson, northwestern Wallace, and southwestern Sherman counties. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Kansas between mile markers 2 and 12. Interstate 70 in Colorado between mile markers 442 and 450. Highway 385 between mile markers 181 and 183. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: in Kansas, Sherman and Wallace, in Kit Carson, Colorado,